woke up in your own life, how would you be living? What would you do? Are you doing it? Good morning, everybody. Welcome to 2021. God bless. The first day, New Year's Day. This is one of my favorite days of the year. Not just because, you know, start of the new year, something fun, but because it's my mood board day.
Vision boards, dream boards, whatever you want to call them, you guys know I love them and have become quite known for sharing their powers over the years. I often credit them with, well, basically everything. From new cars to trips to all sorts of cool promotions and, you know, financial freedom and love and everything. Vision boards are based on the idea of manifesting. In short and sweet terms, manifesting is believing in something so much the universe delivers it to you.
Sounds like witchcraft. Honestly, it is a little bit of like mental witchcraft, you know? But vision boards are basically just a tangible way to look at what you want, really put it out there and like hone in on all your goals. Hi, honey, come here. Boogeyman. Say hi to everybody. Look at you. You were in my vision board. Did you know that? Now I have you. So let's get started. Do you remember when this was on my mood board, honey? No, because you weren't alive. Beep, beep, beep. This is the manifestation of you. But you're even better. Oh my goodness, you guys ready? By the way, yes, I am just like literally sitting on my floor like a crazy person. Yeah, I really need to get a studio. I'll put that on my mood board too to move. But anyways, okay. Here's what you need for the mood board project. All you really need is some poster board, some scissors, some double-sided tape, and of course, what you want to put on the mood board. So what's on my board? Here we go. You guys know I always start with a central quote, kind of your motto of the year. These are some of mine past. 2020 was to the fullest. 2019 was become the you of your dreams. 2018 was go get what you dream of. 2017, live the life you imagined. And of course, the original most famous mood board. This is why this quote is so special to me. What if it doesn't come true? But what if it does? And while of course I'm gonna keep all of those going into the new year, the one that I'm going to use this year is this. À la folie. French for to insanity. This has actually been one of my favorite quotes for many, many, many years. It's usually a quote used for love, but I just want to do it for all of life. Basically, cheers to the madness. I'm just gonna literally live my life to the absolute fullest extent of basically all of my wildest, craziest fantasies, things that I would have usually thought twice about. I'm just gonna go for it. We all know I went crazy a long time ago, but this year I am going to act on it. So yeah, cheers to insanity this year. That's the vibe. So this is gonna be the center quote. Boom, right there. Now back to the prints. What did I print? Oh God, I'm just gonna kind of go through it and explain it all because some of it's abstract and, well, some of it's not. So what do I want this year? Okay, lots of things. Some things are carrying over from the last mood board, like this image. It's a book. I've been writing a book for a long time. If you follow me on Twitter, you kind of know the vibe, but I think that's finally gonna be done this year, hopefully. So yeah, put that on there. So we're gonna put that on there, right there. Oh my God, we have so many funny things. Okay, so this is a diamond. It represents my jewelry line. I wanna do a bunch more with that. Like I'm wearing one of the necklaces right now. Those are restocking, I believe, today. I'm getting more in, so if you guys wanna order those, of course, those are on the website. So anyways, that's that for now. Surprise! I wanna get a cat. I think George deserves a sister and a cat would be super fun. I'm very allergic to cats, so I don't know how this is gonna work out, but I'm gonna figure it out. So yeah, putting a little kitty on the mood board. Talk about extremely random. I wanna buy a harp and a telescope to stare at the stars. I tend to put really specific things, but abstract things are fun too, like this. CEO, ha ha ha, but yeah, I wanna start a bunch of businesses this year. I've already got them all dreamed up in my head, so I'm just gonna do it. So stay tuned for the business bitch. What goes hand in hand with that? Obviously, money. By the way, it's not just superficial things on the mood board, tangible things. There's also, I wanted to do this year a kind of like an emotional mood board too. I don't know if that really makes any sense, but I'll try to explain that. So basically I wrote my own 10 commandments this year. I'll read them to you in a second, but basically the idea of them is like how I want to react emotionally in certain situations and what I want to believe and who I want to be. So for example, say a boy breaks my heart and I'm like super sad. I don't want to be someone who's like, wow, I hope he dies and never has happiness and is miserable and, you know, love doesn't exist and everything is trash and blah, blah, blah. No. I want to be someone who has their heart broken but still believes in love. I want to be someone who, you know, takes a chance and fails but still believes in my dreams. And that's basically what I put on here. So, my 10 commandments. You can write your own, but these are mine. I will hold my head high. I will remember my worth. I will know who I am. I will ask. I will be all in and never back down. I will think but never doubt. I will believe. I will continue to love. I will do it with grace. And I will. I will. Mind you, I also put them all in the positive. So like I didn't put I won't hate, I put I will love. Just, you know, brain tricks. So we're gonna put those on there. I'll keep you posted on this. Nobody's perfect, but I thought it'd be fun to do like an emotional one too. That being said, I still put like total bullshit on here. Yeah, I wanna get a Birkin. Y'all know I'm a shopping addict. I gotta do it. By the way, I've said this a million times, but the key to vision boards, mood boards, and everything is the board doesn't work unless you do. So all the things that you put on there, actually act on them, make plans to do so. It's a reminder to you to believe and go and do the things on the board. Like, you know, you're not gonna go to Australia unless you buy a ticket to go. That being said, I definitely think there's a little bit of magic in them. So believe in yourself and believe in them. The universe has got your back. I really like to put art on my mood boards too. This is actually sketches from 2 different artists, but to me this just kind of means the universe gives you what you need and it's your job to kind of spread it back. And that's kind of what I want to do this year, spread the magic. Speaking of spreading the magic, this one has a lot to do with that. YouTube Live. I've been on YouTube for 4 years and I have had the time of my life. It has been amazing, wonderful, fabulous, and truly a joy and beyond my wildest comprehension. Like you guys know, I don't think, like when I wrote start a YouTube channel on my mood board many moons ago, I had no idea what I was getting into. That being said, before I had a YouTube channel, before I got here, I always used to say like, God, what I would do if only I had that. How I would be, blah, 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 because it's really easy to imagine your life of someone else. Like if I woke up as Bella Hadid, I would post 80 million selfies a day. But here is a question that me and my friends came up with last year that like honest to God changed the way I view myself and my life. And here it is. If you woke up in your own life, how would you be living? What would you do? Are you doing it? Are you currently living how you would live if you woke up as you? It sounds silly, but like honestly, if I woke up as Amber Scholl tomorrow and I had 3 million subscribers on YouTube, what would I be talking about? Would I really make 100 TJ Maxx videos? My answer to my own question is yes, I am in theory living my life as I would. You know, I would live in Los Angeles. I would, you know, dress kind of crazy, travel a lot, blah, blah, blah. But if I had that many people listening to me, what would I want to say?
This year, I'm saying it. Premiering next week, every Sunday, I'm going to be starting the unofficial Girls Guide to Life, covering topics about everything that, you know, you need to know that no one really talks about. Life University, self-love, body image, friendships, boyfriends, breakups, college, moving out, high school, finances, dating, and anything else you guys want to talk about. My life guide. Kind of like Ned's Declassified School Survival Guide, but like a little more glittery.
Honestly, videos like this one where I think it'll like really help and engage part of the YouTube community that I think is like untapped into. So I'm so excited for that. That's gonna be starting next Sunday. So make sure you tune in. We'll do it together. New year, new chapter, new adventures, and yeah.
So my Wednesday videos are of course gonna be my same usual fluffy shopping DIY content, but Sundays are gonna be dedicated to this.
P.S.
And as a special bonus, I am also going to be doing exclusive live stream after shows on Sundays.
You guys already know me super well, but I want to really get to know you guys on a personal level too. So basically like a sorority, except all here on my channel. So if you want to be a part of that, that is going to all start next Sunday. So
if you guys want to join our little, you know, sorority angel club and get your tickets to the after show, you can click the join button linked in my description.
Can't wait to see you there. So I'm gonna finish this up here with some more pictures. I wanna move into a home like that. Faraway mood board, but I want a beach house too. I wanna start a perfume line. If the world ever opens, I wanna go to the giraffe sanctuary in Kenya. I wanna truly show you the world through my eyes. I'd like to date a man who actually likes me and basically just be this person. This is a metaphor for something, but I'll give you a hint. It has to do with this. Like, this is super abstract. This is the business side of my dreams. And this is the energy I want to carry throughout 2021. Ah, carry. Get it? Dun, ta-da. Eventually, it looks like this. Ta-da! Now we just gotta hang it somewhere. I'm gonna look at it every day. There. Perfect. And as always, before we end the video, what did I do on last year's mood board? So one of the biggest things that I want to do this year is travel. So I want to travel and take you guys along with me.
I was lucky enough to see elephants in Thailand, have just a beautiful trip there. Iceland was absolutely magical. And well, we all know what happened in March. I got to cross the 100,000 Twitter followers off my list.
So stay tuned at the end of this year to see if I do it. And I'm sure I will, because I'm gonna actually try.
Look at that hair. I can't even do that with extensions. And oh, look at George. Oh, who's my perfect little king? Hey, stop that. George.
This is my queen Rihanna in the greatest outfit of all time.
Oh my God, you guys. This is the best thing I've ever seen. And as crazy as my outfits were, well, the year was crazier. But that doesn't mean it wasn't beautiful.
Very goth outfit of the day. Going snowmobiling in the Arctic. I've been here, I promise.
There was still so much magic to be found, not just in shoes.
Please excuse me while I choke to death. Oh!
Not just in clothes, but in people.
Jesus. He's so nervous around me. It's so cute.
Sorry.
Oh. We literally, they think we are insane. They think we're actually insane. We are.
And at the tip of it all is always you.
I love Amber. Oh, stop, you're so cute. Thank you so much for watching.
Yeah. Nothing lights me up inside more than meeting you guys. You are the absolute sunshine of my life, and I hope you know that. Can I take a picture with you?
Never give up on your dreams, because it's never too late, and anything you want in life can and will come true if you truly believe in it. So don't ever let life be anything less than everything you imagined it to be. And for the very first time in 2021, till next time, sweet angels, see you very soon for a year of magic. A la folie. XO. Well, one of my resolutions on the moon board last year was to be clean. I don't know. Sometimes you just gotta let things go.